Hello all, my name is Apurva Dongavkar and I am from NITI PGDISM batch 13. I've taken a topic of being friendly with the customers. You know, in this world of in this world, the customer is the king and we need to be friendly with the customers in order to sell our products. So let us see how to be friendly with the customers. Hello sir, my name is Apurva Dongavkar and I am from NITI college.
I'm very busy, please.
Sir, just 2 minutes of your time, sir. I'll just let you know my product. Sir, from NITI organized an event called as Mahamandi in association with two NGOs, Navnirmiti and we. Okay. In this event, we sell some unique products. Okay. And these products, whatever revenue we collect from these products, it goes to the NGO for the education of poor children. So here I have bought a product for you called as Tangram. Okay. In this Tangram, there are 8 basic shapes. Using these 8 basic shapes like triangle, rhombus, a larger triangle, and a square, you can make 216 different kinds of shapes.
Can you please do it in a hurry because I have to go.
So I'll show you the 216 shapes. See something. On this internet they are freely available. And also with the product we give you the brochure. These are the 216 shapes. See, like this is a Christmas tree, this is a man walking, this is a cattle, this is a sheep. Okay. So you can give this product to your youngers, or you can give this product to any children who can use this product to learn what are the shapes look like. They can develop the imagination skills, their identification skills using this product. So this is a very unique product to gift it to anybody. And now the occasion of Diwali which is coming. Usually on Diwali we just give products like some simple shirts or clothes to our juniors, okay. But at the growing age, the products will become pretty useless in a small amount of time of 1 year. But this product, it would last long. You know, they can use it for years until they become grown-ups. Right?
Okay. So what is its price?
So it costs only 150 rupees. Sir.
It is too much.
So actually all the cost which we get from this, all the price, everything is going to the education of poor children. Nothing is our profits.
Okay.
So you can assume this cost as a donation to the poor children education. And one more thing, you can just compare it that instead of giving an expensive gift of 500 rupees shirt, you can give this 150 rupees gift Tangram to younger children. With this they will learn and they will enjoy, and not like just use and throwing the shirt. This is a unique product which we are offering right now.
It is really. I will take it.
Thank you, sir. Nice meeting you.